Yeah, we continuing that. So camouflage, the way in which animal's color or the shape matches its surrounding and makes it difficult to see is called as a camouflage. What mean by camouflage? Camouflage help an animal to hide from its enemy. Okay. It also helps in hunting for its prey. A tiger has a pattern here. The tiger has a pattern of black and yellow strips on his body. The stripes on the tiger body looks like a dry leaves of wood. These strips help the tiger to hide themselves and for make their food. The stone fish, like here, the stone fish looks like a stone. This help it to in the water from it. This is a stone fish, okay? And it is from the enemy. Some animals can change their body color according to their surrounding. Okay, students, here camouflage is nothing but this is a hiding method way to make hunt and protect from the enemies. So then when they have see the tiger hiding in the grass, see it has the same similar, it has a similar thing, student. I'll be observing your properly. See here, they can hide it very clearly in such a way that it protects from the enemy and for hunting the food. Okay, student. So it has the strips. Okay, here they have the grasses are grown like this. See here, this is grasses are grown like this. So when the tiger went inside, means we cannot identify it very easily. Why? Because it to identify from one first benefit is to identify should protect from the enemies, and secondly to hunt the animals. Okay, students, and some more animals I'll show you for you reasons that this is a stone fish. This is a stone fish. Okay, this is a stone fish, student. It look like this. It is look like stone only. It helps from the enemies. So it helps from the animals. Some of the animals change according to their surroundings. So surrounding how it is changes will let us give a look. Okay, everyone have seen this chameleon. Chameleon you have seen here in this picture. This chameleon can change the body color according to match a surrounding. That is why it is not easy seen in this picture. Okay, that helps to escape from the enemy's hand and they're pretty. So what happens, it is in the green color, means it changes his body to green, and they'll be telling for you are like a chameleon. They'll use this word because they change the according to that situations of environment color. Okay, here it is in the green color because the leaves are green color, because to protect from the enemy and to hunt the pretty. To hunt the pretty, they required the body changes the colors. Okay, this is a chameleon. Everybody knows that chameleon changes the color according to that environment. If according to that situations, if we can say it is staying in the leaf means green color, it stay in the ground means it is in the mud color, it is staying in the wall means it is white, means it is white color, means it changes according to their color. This is represent as an chameleon. Okay, students, next we go to the migration. Okay, next we go to the migration. The animals and the birds move from place to place to another place in different season. This seasonal segment of animals is known as migration. Okay, this migration, animals migrate for different reasons. Some animals move from place to place from hot to the escape from the cold weather. Escape from the cold weather. See a student, migration means nothing but it is moving from one place to another place is called as an migration for different reasons. There are different reasons. Okay, students, a migration is nothing but changing the places from one place to another place in the different season. So here you have an olive. This is a turtle. Okay, this is an animal turtle. Let we see how it is. Means it is some animals move from place to another place to escape from the cold weather. Some animals migrate from one place to another for searching food. Some animals even move to other places to breed it. Okay, the olive radial turtle live in the Pacific and Antarctic Ocean. They travel hundreds of kilometers every year to lay eggs on the beach of Odisha. Okay, this what happens? They'll be living in the Pacific and Antarctic Oceans. They are living in the Pacific and Antarctic Ocean. They travel. How much they travel means hundred of kilometers every year. Why they are traveling means to lay the egg. Where they are traveling means Odisha. Okay, these are the some of the animals will be doing. Next, flamingo. In the winter region of the North Pole are very cold. They are very cold, student. Some of the bird of these animals migrate to the warmer place in the south. So they are in the north cold, no, they move to the warmer place in the south. They get plenty of food and stable shelter here. When the weather changes, the weather changes and becomes favorable for them, they turn to their home. So when the weather changes, no, they come to know the weather is getting changed, they automatically start to move from one place to another. North pole they are moving now, very cold. When we have summer season, they'll be coming back and they'll move automatically. They started to move to the when they get to the summer weather, they'll be having they're getting a lot of foods and they have more suitable for the shelter. Flaming and pe- pelicans and geese are some of the example of migrating birds. These are the animals. They are okay. These are the birds. We can say exactly these are the birds will be moving to the comfortable weather, warmer place. They in the south. Okay, they're in the north pole means they'll come to the south. When they'll be cooling, the temperature changes. This suddenly they'll move to the north pole. Okay, these are the animals. Okay, they'll be exactly we say that they are birds. Okay, to searching the food, they'll be searching for the food from the north pole to south pole. They start to migrate it. They'll start to migrate from the north pole to the south pole. Here also these animals, birds started this. Have you seen this, student? Many of you have seen this type of this bird. This bird also start to move from north pole to the south pole for getting the escape from the cold temperature to the warmer temperature. So they have to get is very warm, so they started to move. They started to move from the warm temperature to the cold temperature. See here in the migration, the animal, what do you mean by the migration means the animals moves from one place to another place in different region. This seasonal segment of animals is known as migration. In the seasonal segment we can refer that is a seasonal segment of animals is known as a migration. This migration of the different reason, because of one example I'll be telling for you. Some of the animals move from one place to another place is called as a cold weather, and some of the animals from move from one place to another searching for the food, and some of the animals moves for the laying the eggs, and some of the animals they require the warm temperature, They escape from the cold temperature and move to the warm temperature, and they have a lot of food and suitable weather. These are the represent for this migration of the animals.